This land is your land, this land is my land. I'm a Texas tiger, you're a liberal wiener. I'm a great crusader, you're a hermit monster. This land will surely vote for me. This land is your land, this land is my land. I'm an intellectual, you're a stupid dumbass. I'm a Purple Heart winner, and yes, it's true, I won it thrice. This land will surely vote for me. You got more waffles than a house of pancakes. You offer flip flops, I offer tax breaks. You're a UN pussy, and yes, it's true that I kick ass. Ha! This lad will surely vote for me. Wisconsin nuclear, that really scares me. And sometimes a brain can come quite handy, but that's not gonna help you because I won 3 Purple Hearts. This lad will surely vote for me. You're a liberal sissy, you're a right-wing nut job, you're a pinko commie, you're dumb as a doorknob. Hey, you got that Botox, but I still won 3 Purple Hearts. This land will surely vote for me. This land was my land, and then it's our land. From California to the New York Islands. Hey, what I do? From the liberal wieners to the right wing nut jobs. This land will belongs. This land belongs. This land belongs to you and me.